Let's do it again.
Join our membership at holylessons.com for access to this complete tutorial and many more today.
Yeah, so guys, another beautiful day with another amazing tutorial. So song for today is Refiner by Maverick City Music. A really beautiful worship song. Without further much ado, let's get into playing. Let's get into learning. First of all, song is in the key of E. Okay. As usual, E major. We'll learn our E major scale. So we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and then back to our 1. Okay, I'll take it again. You have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and then the 1. For the purposes of this video, I'll break the song into an intro, a verse, first verse, a chorus, a second verse, and then we go to the bridge. Okay, and then the whole song will end. Quickly I'll play the intro and then we'll break it down and take it on from there. Okay, really nice. Just a 1 and a 4 movement over here. So I'll quickly break down exactly what I did. So on the 1 here, on my first 1 chord, I have an E major added to. So on the left I have E, B, and E, and on my right here I have a G flat, a B, and an E. Okay, and then so now on the 4 chord here, we have A, F, A, E, and A and B. I'm holding down the thumb with the A and the B, and on the right here I have just a 2 note chord here. So I have a D flat and an E. But before we get here, we play the B, the A, and the A flat. Okay, and then now we go back to the 1. But before we go back to the 1, we play a G flat, an A flat, and an E. Okay, the 1. Okay, so now on the 1 here, I'm doing quite a stretch from E to B, and I'm holding the thumb with the G flat and the A flat. Okay, all right, so we keep going. So this is where it changes, and then now we go to a 3. Okay, so now on the 3 here, we have an A flat on the left with E and B, quite a stretch as well, and then our same old trend, and then again, and then. So this is where this is basically the whole intro. So we go to our first verse, our verse 1. So if the altar is where you need us, take me there, take me there. Okay, What you need is just an offering. It's right here. My life is here, okay? And that'll be an offering, a living sacrifice, for you. You're a fire. Okay, I want to be consumed. So first of all, I'll break down everything. So if the altar's where you need us, so it's basically a 1. So on the left here I have E,